Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the device model and OS so you apply the correct method. Once verified, make sure you've backed up important data because removing a screen lock can erase settings. Enter account credentials next. You'll need the device account or corporate account to reactivate after reset. Charge the battery above 50% and connect to Wi-Fi or USB so no interruption occurs during reset or authentication. Start with settings or recovery mode, depending on device manufacturer. You now perform the core actions. If you can access settings, navigate to security and remove the screen lock or replace it with a new method. This preserves most data. If you're locked out, power down and boot into recovery using the device's power plus volume combo. Then select Wipe Data/Factory Reset. This removes the lock but erases user data. Alternatively, use the manufacturer's online unlocking tool or account-based remote reset to avoid a full wipe when possible. You finish by setting a new, memorable screen lock and immediately sign into your device account so protections and services reactivate. Once done, restore your backup to recover apps and data. Make sure to re-enable encryption and biometric options if desired. If the lock still persists after reset or account recovery, try account recovery flows or use the OEM official support tool. If that fails, contact the manufacturer's support for guided unlocking. This is the single most reliable troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.